Hey guys, AstronomyShow here, and today I'm going to be doing a video on atoms. I know atoms are a little bit of a stray from my title of my channel, AstronomyShow, but anyway, atoms, they may not have a lot to do with astronomy. Well, that's a lie. Everything's made up of atoms, so technically they have something to do with everything. So, it's quite interesting, so I just thought, I hope this is, kind of helpful and interesting, so, it's quite interesting to know this stuff if you're going for a science test or something like that, or you never know, you just might want to know this stuff because it's quite interesting. It's quite interesting. I just want to know it. So let's get going. Atoms are made up of protons, neutrons, and electrons, but they are mostly just made up of space because it's the space between the electrons and the actual nucleus. Protons have a mass of 1, and so do neutrons, and electrons basically have next to no mass at all. Neutrons have a positive charge. Protons have a positive charge. Neutrons have a neutral charge, hence the name neutron, because neutron. And electrons have a negative charge. Opposite charges, positive and negative, attract each other. You can see this in a magnet. If you put the South Pole and the North Pole near each other, they attract. If you put the North and North, they repel. This is why the electrons orbit the atom in the atom center, also called the nucleus, not to be confused with a cell nucleus. But the electron orbits the nucleus because, seeing as the electron is a negative charge, and there's the same amount of electrons and protons, so it balances out the charge. So this is why it doesn't go fizzing off into space or crashing into the nucleus. The periodic table lists all the known elements, compounds, and mixtures that we know of. As you can see on the screen that should be appearing now, there's a bar that I've just I've taken a random one and I've just made it, and I'm going to tell you what they all stand for. This one's going to be magnesium. The top number 24 is the sum of the proton and neutrons in an atom mass. So there is the Mg is just the atomic symbol, Mg, magnesium, and underneath it has the name of the element, compound, mixture, magnesium. And the bottom number 12 in this case is the sum of just the protons. Let's just take an atom, say hydrogen. Hydrogen is the smallest atom known. It only has one proton and therefore only one electron, and it has no neutrons. You can tell how many electrons are orbiting an atom because if you know how many protons there are in an atom, seeing as they both have opposite charges, they neutralize each other, allowing the electron to orbit the atom and not hit the nucleus or, like I said, go off into space. So they have to keep a neutral charge between them, and since the neutrons are just neutral, they don't have any effect on this. The electrons orbit the nucleus in shells. The further the electron from the nucleus, the more energy the particle has, and therefore, the closer the particle to the center, the less energy it has. You should be seeing a picture of a hydrogen atom with the shell line and the electron. The little ball at the top, or in the grey circle, is an electron. The silver line going all the way around it is the shell, the orbit line of the electron. One atom can have multiple, for instance, come on, I'm pretty sure I know one. I have to. Let's take magnesium. It has more than one electron, and it has I'm not sure about the shell number off the top of my head. And in the middle, it is the hydrogen atom, which is what the H stands for, the proton / neutron, or the proton and the neutron. In this case, it's just a proton because it has no neutrons. So anyway, that was the end of my video on atoms. I hope you found it interesting and maybe helpful. So anyway, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm sorry it takes me so long to do these videos and to get them out, but it takes me a while to get the information together on top of my homework and my tests, and I have to revise, and most of my facts are coming from some of my lessons at school, and I'll try and keep them coming out as fast as I can, but like I said, with all the stuff going on, it's hard. I'll try and at least get a video a week, because it's quite hard to do it, but I'll keep trying to get these videos out. If you like them, please like and subscribe and stuff like that. Comment something you might want me to do in the future. But yeah, I'm not sure what I'll do next. I'll just think. I might choose something like more interesting, maybe something like astronomy based, like maybe something on planets or moons or something like that. I was thinking of doing a video on one of the moons of Jupiter or maybe Saturn. So if that's okay, just like, comment if like you want anything else. But I'll get these videos out as fast as I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you people next time. Bye.